Ricard Brink, your partner when it comes to metalworking, presents flexible and rigid flower bed edging solutions made from stainless steel, aluminium and Corten steel. The appeal of our edging solutions lies in their convenient handling and ease of use, even for existing flower beds. Small hollows are dug along the edge of the flower bed, where the base that supports the edging solutions will be inserted. The top of the edging should be approximately 1 centimeter higher than the height of the flower bed or turf. Once in place, the edging is fixed into the ground using steel pins, which are pushed down through the holes in the supporting base. Not only does the design of the base aid fixing, it also prevents the edging from sinking into the soil over time. The pressure exerted on the edging by people or machines is resisted by the supporting base. Metal sheets connect the edging sections. They are slotted in at the back and screwed in place, creating perfectly smooth transitions which trace the desired bed shape. The edging solutions are supplied in 3-meter lengths as standard. However, they can be shortened easily on site to the exact length required. Besides the flexible versions which adapt to every shape, Ricard Brink also offers rigid edging solutions. Both variants can be used together, which gives the customer a great deal of freedom when it comes to designing ornate flower beds. Flexible and rigid edging solutions are produced in standard heights of 100 mm and 150 mm. Different heights may be supplied upon request. The edging solutions can be used for a wide variety of applications beyond flower beds. For example, they can also be used to separate different fills or to frame paved surfaces and paths. From a design perspective, such applications also benefit from the flexibility of our edging solutions. Our planting systems not only perfectly shape and frame your flower beds, they also ease gardening by preventing the lawn from spilling over into the bed, leaving you to enjoy a tidy, structured garden.